Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah, and today I will be doing a TinkerCad tutorial. So first of all, I want you guys to open tinkercad.com, and if you haven't made an account, so please make an account.
So, I didn't manage to record this, and this is a tutorial on how to sign up or log into TinkerCad. So, if you don't have an account, you can sign up. If you're a student, you can press join a class and enter the class code that the teacher have sent you. Or if you want to use it for personal use, you can make a new account. If you already have an account, you can log in with the options provided. You can enter your email or username, or you can log in with Google or with Apple account if you use Mac. Once you're done signing in, you can see the classes you have joined in the classes options, and you can start make design by pressing new. After that, by choosing between 3D design or circuit or code blocks. Last, you can see tutorials at the tutorial section.
And then we can start. So first, I want you guys to press this new button, grad to circuit, and now and then we will have this. Alright. So the first thing that I want you guys to put in this is actually Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah, and today I will be doing a TinkerCad tutorial. So first, I want you guys to open TinkerCad, and if you haven't logged in or made an account, please log in and or make an account. After that, I want you guys to press the button new and then choose circuit. So once you're in, you will have this menu, and then the first thing, and change the components from basic, and then press all, change it to all. So the first thing I want you guys to check is Arduino for free. Right, so now it's here, and then I want you guys to take an LED, and I want you guys to connect this one, the one that is straight to GND, and then connect the other one that is vented to D3. Alright, and now I want you guys to take this one here. So now I want you first to connect this the VCC1 to the 5 volts, and then I want you guys to connect the GND or ground to ground as well, and then I want you guys to check the this one. Very good. Connect it to D5, and then take power to D6. Alright, so once you're done like this, I want you to click on the Arduino Uno R3. After that, over here on the top there is code. So now I want you to delete all of these, and now I will make our own code. First, I want you guys to take this print to serial monitor. After that, take go to input and take read ultrasonic distance sensor, configure pin 5, and then the code pin 6. in units centimeter. So let's change it and with new line. And now I want you guys to go to control. After that, check if then. Alright. So now take math. Go to math. After that, take this. Put it here. Change it to more, to more or less. After that, go to input. Take this. Put it here. Change it to 5 and 6. Oh, 6 in unit centimeter. And then change this over here to 200. Okay, so now I'll just go to in output. After that, take into serial monitor, change it to jauh or far. And oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. I want you guys to receive them with the nose. Okay. Alright, so put it back here. Oops. And this one here. Or you can just copy this, duplicate, and put it on the else. Change it to cut or close. And yes, that should be the code. And now you can close it. If so, and then you can press start simulation. Let it to finish initializing. Once it's finished, alright. So how it works? You will want to click on here. And then if you change the distance for this, going to go further, so it will be this the ultrasonic distance sensor will detect how if there's an object that comes in this into this range, he will detect an object, and then the LED will turn on. So it's pretty much like that. And this Arduino, we use this for as the mind or the brain of it. So that's why you put the code in here. So for example, maybe you are making a little toy car that is that moves automatically, but you don't want it to crash to anything. So you will put this sensor on, put the sensor in front of the car. So when it gets close to a wall, it will turn by itself to the right or to the left. Alright, so maybe that's all from this one. It's pretty much like that. So now maybe I will show you something extract, I guess. So I want you guys to open photocare.com, and that you can open from computer. So but first of all, I want to explain about photocare. Photocare is like editing software for picture editing software, not video. So this is an editing software that is used to edit photos like Photoshop. So what you want to do to create a new project is if you have